Hello, my beautiful people, to my newcomers, and hey, what's up, bitches, to the people that have already been in my channel. This week, we will be working with the Juvia's palette Chocolate and Violets. This palettes are gorgeous and super pigmented. It is a bunch of purples and violets on one, and chocolates in the other, hence the name. But yeah, if I could go out anywhere, I would totally wear this because it is my birthday week. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm feeling myself. And but I can't, so I'm just gonna wear it in my living room, and that is totally fine also. Please stay, enjoy, comment, share, like, subscribe, because it is my birthday week. So if you want to give me a present, what better present than that? Anyways, I will also be talking about this whole toilet paper thing going on at the moment and thoughts on it that nobody asked me for, and it's fine. My opinion, my channel. You tell me what you think, your comment, your opinion. Just don't be rude. But yeah, other than that, just stay with me and to recreate this because I actually love this. It's cute. This darn eyelash will not stay, but we will figure it out. Don't worry. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with the smoky shader brush. This is the 234 Lux So Eva, and I'm gonna use this brown. And this is a dark brown. It's a chocolatey brown. It's very pigmented. I really like it. So let's kick off today's conversation, right? It's a topic that's everywhere right now, and I think it's important we discuss it because it's a shitty topic. Toilet paper, an angled brush, and we're just gonna close it. So I understand the toilet paper issue. I want to understand it. Okay, have my personal opinion of it, but I'm trying to understand it, right? So people think that if we go quarantine, they need to stock up on toilet paper because they don't want to run out, right? Now, we're still on the brown, okay? It is my personal opinion that nobody asked for, and I understand that there are more important things. I don't know about y'all, but in case I ran out of toilet paper, I have a shower. Not ideal. I understand, not ideal. Nobody wants to be washing their butt every time they go to the bathroom. And I don't know how many times I go to the bathroom, but I don't go that many. I mean, maybe I'm not one of the unlucky ones that look dark purple on this palette. Or, this is 221S matte brush, okay? Or the other worst case scenario would be, old rags, old t-shirts, stuff like that you don't care for and you can wipe with and just toss. I mean, I'm just giving y'all options right here because apparently toilet paper is like a huge deal, which it is. It is, and nobody likes poopy fingers or nothing, but really, to each their own, right? So I started seeing this whole madness toilet paper thing going on a few days ago, and I was like, okay, whatever, I live in an area where there is natural disasters, so it does happen often that people end up buying, in bulk and preparing for stuff like this. So to be at home, to be at home with no resources and stuff. So I thought maybe we would be more conscious of our shopping. And so I waited. I'm going back to the brown and I'm going to use this color, okay? 239S brush. It's like the shader brush, but a little smaller. And I waited until Friday and I told my husband, okay, you're going to go with me because, I may need help. I don't know how things are here. I hadn't been to Walmart all week and I didn't want to just not be prepared for craziness, right? I didn't want to have to fight some old lady for like something. So I show up and everybody's walking out with rolls and rolls. I saw this couple with, I shit you not, no pun intended, 4 packs of 36 rolls of toilet paper. Now, I don't know about y'all. I don't know. I may be wrong, but we usually buy toilet paper. We buy one big pack of 36 rolls. And it lasts us like a month and a half to 2 months. There's only 2 people here. And I mean, I know there's only 2 people here. There's households with 5 plus people. But unless you have a whole army living at your house, I really doubt you need 200 rolls of toilet paper for a month. Maybe wrong. There's always the one person that's like, but I am. Get it, I get it. But it's just crazy. Like, it's just, I don't know. So then I tried to grocery shop, and obviously it didn't work out in my favor because everything was low and there wasn't stuff. I didn't buy toilet paper because, like I said, I usually don't have to for like 2 months, so I didn't have to worry about it. And but there wasn't the other thing that couldn't find anywhere was ground beef. Now I don't love ground beef, but my husband likes stuff like pastas and stuff like that. So I was like, ugh, okay, we're not gonna have that. But yeah, I mean, I was just like a little shocked that I couldn't find it anywhere. So Walmart didn't have a lot of the things that I usually buy. So I was like, all right, then fine. And we went to another store, and that was also kind of a bust. So then I had to go shopping for a third day, and I found everything but ground beef. Now we're gonna use the fender bender for this color. I don't know. It's just madness too. Like, it's just madness out there. I'm gonna tell people, just stay at home if you can. Um, don't hoard the toilet paper, please. Stop it. Stop it. 200 rolls is enough. I mean, 36 rolls is enough, but you know. I just don't know if people understand that they can take a shower after going to the bathroom. I mean, maybe they don't know, but it's okay. It's your home, it's your shower, you're gonna clean it anyways. We're gonna do the eyeliner now. And it's just gonna be like a straight line, okay? It's gonna be a thick straight line just to do our outline like always. And I'm gonna use the UR Firework Color Pop Chunky Glitter. But let's try not to panic. I think this is, a part of the panic shopping and stuff. I know you want to be prepared. We want to feel comfortable in our own homes that we have the stuff necessary in case, we couldn't go outside. And I understand that. I totally get it. But in all seriousness, we do have to think of other people. Like, me and my husband are young and strong individuals, and I know that if we were to catch the virus, it might not be as severe as if an older person caught it or an elderly person caught it. And so I just wanted to, when I was doing my shopping, which we only shop seriously for our weekly and or bi-weekly shopping, okay? Like, we really did. I try to stay as conscious of the situation as possible because, like I said, there may be people that need it the most right now. There is no indicator as far as any of the information that I've looked at that companies will stop sending stuff to the stores. So, let's give people that may need it the chance, and then, consciously we can go and keep shopping. I'm not against being prepared. I'm not against taking precautions and all that, but hoarding the essentials is not going to help anybody. It's not even going to help you. Okay. Um, Other side of the fender bender, we're going to use this one right here, which ends up being like a gold rose. Okay. Again, this is my opinion that nobody asked for, and I completely understand that. We're all going to do what we want anyways, but to take a deep breath and really, really assess the situation and then act accordingly, okay? I know the memes are hilarious. I know people are making fun of it and whatever. I know I do sometimes just to lighten the mood because sometimes I just want to scream. But, you know, that doesn't mean we can't be conscious about it. That doesn't mean we can't just, you know, shop for what we need normally. There's no need to stock up, like to stock your house like you're gonna be in quarantine for freaking 6 months. Not yet, at least. And I know you don't want to wait, but come on, let's be real. It hasn't happened, but if it did happen, you're probably gonna run out of snacks by then, and you're gonna have to do it all over again. I don't know about y'all, but I don't have money to do it more than once. So, by the way, this totally would have been my makeup for my birthday because my birthday is this week. This too. But because of what's going on, I am not going anywhere. I mean, I probably wouldn't have been going anywhere anyways. I'm gonna use this Milk lip and cheek paint. You can use it for your lips and your cheeks, and it's called Work. Work, 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 work. Anyways, I probably wouldn't, like I said, I probably wouldn't have went anyways, and I would have just done my makeup like this to sit in my couch and stuff my face with cake. This is really cute. This came in the little packet that Sephora gives you for your birthday. I just wanted to use it, and because I'm using Juvia's palettes, I'm also gonna use Juvia's highlighter for Anyways, so yeah, I probably just would have sat there and ate cake and just ordered takeout or something, which is exactly what we're gonna do. I have a 7-month old, people. I can't go nowhere. I don't have a babysitter. I honestly would have highlighted my whole face and then like, this is the candle in my cake. Don't judge. I use the Bare Minerals Juju lipstick. Anyways, yeah, I can't even blame this whole virus thing because I would have stayed home anyways. Like, I hope you're like, and in all seriousness, the toilet paper thing to me, it is kind of like a joke because it is not an essential. I can make it work with whatever if the case arrived. But what I am gonna say is, please, people, please do not hoard baby food, formula, um, diapers and stuff like that. I mean, I know stores are already running out of baby wipes, but again, we can use rags. It doesn't matter. But baby food, I am fortunate that I'm a stay-at-home mom, and if I need anything, I can go early in the morning where probably the store just stocked its shelves and I can find something. But there are single moms out there that may have to work a full shift and then they go to the store and there's nothing, and their babies should not suffer because we as adults are panicking. We are the adults. There is older people that, show up to the store and there's nothing left on the counters, on the shelves. Please be conscious. If you are not within the age group of the most risk, be conscious. I know we think about ourselves first. I know we're selfish and we think about our family and ourselves. But if you were in a bad situation, you would want somebody to think about you too. And that is the only message I want to give out, if anything. I didn't think my birthday week was gonna go like this, but it is going like this, and I am doing the best I can. And like I said, I prepared for a week or two, and then we will see, because in reality, that's all we have. The information, that's all we have. Also, don't trust unreliable pages. Don't go by what Facebook is telling you. For example, you don't have to do it, but this is what I do. If I am panicking or just stressing about whatever I read somewhere, I go into the CDC website, and that is reliable information. It tells you everything that's going on around the world. It tells you what's going on within your country. So please, please, please do not spread wrong or misleading information, because it doesn't help anybody and it just causes panic. Again, it's my opinion. Again, you can do what you please, but let's work together so we can get through this together. I did a video, but I debated in doing a video because, everybody's kind of upset and just some people are more than others, but we have to stay distracted. We have to stay distracted, and makeup is my distraction. Yes, just if you're gonna take anything from this, let's work together to get through this together. Um, so yeah. Other than that, like, share, comment, subscribe. It is my birthday week, so please, 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 please share, like, subscribe, comment, all of that. That can be my birthday present. I will appreciate it a lot. I hope you guys enjoy. It is something that I don't usually do, but let me tell you something. I like this. If I was fun still, I'd wear this to a party. I mean, not right now, but if we could actually be together.